Welcome back! In our last video, we introduced CoreCast, Bitquery's ultra-low latency gRPC streaming service for Solana. Today, we're getting hands-on. Let me show you how to get started in just a few minutes. First, head to the CoreCast introduction page in our documentation. Scroll down to the Quick Start Examples section. Here you'll find links to our GitHub repository with ready-to-use examples in JavaScript, Python, and Go. Let's click on the Python example to jump to the GitHub repo. This takes us straight to our GitHub repository. Let's clone it. Perfect. Now, before we run anything, we need an API token from Bitquery. Head over to this account.bitquery.io page, click Generate New Token, give it a name, and copy the token. Important! Please don't share this token with anyone else. Keep it secure and never commit it to version control. Now, get back to your code and open config.yaml. Paste your token right here in the authorization field. And make sure the token is correct. Check there's no trailing space at the end. This is a common mistake that causes authentication errors. Let's first understand the folder structure and what each file does. config.yaml-. This is your main configuration file where you set up which stream to use and what filters to apply. main.py-. This is the entry point of your application. It loads the config, establishes the connection to CoreCast, and starts the stream. client.py-. This file contains all the streaming logic and message processing. If you need custom client-side filtering, this is where you'll add it. Requirements.txt- lists all dependencies. Install them with pip install-r requirements.txt. Now let's dive into config.yaml. This is where you configure everything. First, the server section. The address is corecast.bitquery.io. Paste your token here, and keep insecure set to false for encrypted TLS communication. Next, choose your stream type. You can pick from 6 options: DEX trades, DEX orders, DEX pools, transactions, transfers, or balances. Here we're using DEX trades. Finally, the filters section. This is powerful. You specify exactly what data you want to receive. Here we're filtering for some popular DEX's trades involving wrapped sol. Want to see all available filters for a specific topic? Just go to that topics page in our docs. For example, for DEX trades, check out the filtering options section at this page. Each stream type has its own tailored set of filters. Just check the documentation for whichever stream you're using. Here's an important concept: server-side versus client-side filtering. Most of your filtering needs are already built into CoreCast. Common filters like programs, tokens, addresses, amounts. You just configure them in config.yaml, and they're applied server-side. This saves bandwidth and speeds up processing. But if you need custom filtering logic that's not available as a server-side filter, here's what you do. Configure the closest available filters in your YAML to get the data you need. Then add your additional filtering logic right here in client.py. This gives you maximum flexibility, efficient server-side filtering, plus custom client-side logic when you need it. All data is sent in protocol buffer format for maximum efficiency and performance. Want to see the exact structure of the data you're receiving? Each topic page has a schema reference section. For DEX trades, you'll find links to the proto-buff schema file and sample JSON data. This shows you exactly what fields are available in every message, perfect for building your complex processing logic. All right, time to run it. Just install dependencies and execute main.py. And there you go, real-time Solana DEX trade streaming directly to your application. This same pattern works for JavaScript, Go, and Rust. Clone the repo, configure your filters, and start streaming. Find all examples at github.com/bitquery/grpc-code-samples and complete documentation at docs.bitquery.io. We will see more examples on how to use these streams in our future videos. Subscribe and let us know what you're building with CoreCast.